Stop scrolling. If you're an executive, architect, or product owner, I know the noise you're living with. AI has become the new corporate mantra. Every boardroom echoes with we need AI, we need co-pilots, we need automations, we need agents. But behind these buzzwords, a quiet kind of panic. CEOs are promising transformation, investors are demanding productivity, and the teams who actually have to build it are staring at each other wondering, okay, but what does that even mean? That's the real story. The technology is ready, but the playbook isn't. Inside most enterprises, the loop goes something like this. Business analysts find AI use cases, architects design solutions, developers integrate ChatGPT. Weeks pass, a prototype appears, and then it breaks. Why? Because AI isn't a feature you sprinkle on top of your existing software. It's a new layer of intelligence that has to live inside your current complex and, let's be honest, your often messy workflows. Most companies stop their journey right there at a simple chatbot. They build something that they can talk, but it cannot do anything of substance. But the real shift, the real leverage, comes when you move to AI agents. These are systems that can reason, retrieve data from your secure internal sources, and then act across your software stack. That's what finally bridges the gap between your decades of enterprise data and your most critical decision making. Let's make it real. Here is how leading organizations are already using AI agents quietly, effectively, and with serious ROI. Banking. Regulatory teams spend hundreds of hours each month reading new compliance updates. Retrieval augmented AI assistant scans those documents, highlights conflicts with existing policies, and drafts the first revision for human review. 80% less grunt work. Zero compromise on accuracy. Insurance. Claims processors face a flood of repetitive reports. A triage agent classifies new cases, flags fraud risk, and drafts customer responses all inside the existing CRM. Employees stay focused on people, not paperwork. Legal teams. A semantic search agent can sift through thousands of contracts and surface every NDA with a non compete clause longer than 12 months in seconds. That's vector search plus reasoning, working exactly where humans waste the most time. Public sector. Governments are using RAG powered chat assistants that can answer citizens' questions from verified internal databases, clear and accurate and transparent. Healthcare. Hospitals are piloting multi agent systems that summarize patient histories and extract key findings from medical research, all behind secure, compliant firewalls. Consulting firms. Analyst agents fetch data, summarize trends, and generate reports before morning meeting. What used to take 10 hours of research now takes 10 minutes of orchestration. These aren't future ideas. They are already running quietly, saving millions in time and effort. Here is the secret: you don't need to rebuild your entire tech stack, you integrate intelligence into it. AI agents connect to your CRMs, ERPs, and data lakes through simple APIs. Frameworks like LangChain or LangGraph act as a glue, orchestrating models, logic, and actions in one flow. Think of them as intelligence middleware sitting between your systems and your staff. They don't replace your tools, they make them smarter. Let's be honest. AI can summarize, classify, recommend, and act, but it cannot think like your domain experts. If your internal data is messy, inconsistent, or logged in PDFs, even the smartest model will stumble. That's why success isn't about the latest algorithm or model, it's about workflow design. Start narrow. Pick one use case where humans are overloaded with repetitive decisions. Build an AI assistant around that. Measure time saved, accuracy improved, effort reduced. That's how you build business use case that scales, one win at a time. Here is the simplest roadmap to production straight from the teams already winning. Identify a bottleneck. Design the pipeline, input, retrieval, reasoning, action. Ground your model with RAG to avoid hallucinations. Orchestrate using LangGraph or Fast API. Monitor with LangSmith. Deploy via Streamlit, Teams, or your internal portal. No slide decks, no endless workshops, just working systems that deliver measurable impact. The enterprise AI revolution won't come from another press release. It will come from the teams who can build fast, safely, and with purpose. AI agents aren't replacing humans, they are giving humans leverage. The companies that win won't be the loudest, they will be the ones deploying the smartest workflows. Welcome to the AI Builder series, where we turn AI from hype into hard results. Hit subscribe to follow the playbook. And what is the single biggest workflow in your company you think an AI agent could transform? Let me know in the comments.